Nagkakako yung nanay mo, hindi humihingi sa'yo.
Oh.
Instead
Ay, si Ella, oh. Ha, si Ella. Ay, may pasal.
Ay, Ella! Ay, thank you, babe. May yaman ako rito, babe.
Ella.
Flower. Ay, thank you,
Hindi ka umuwi kahapon. Nagganyan ka pala. Oh, Happy Mother's Day. Galing-galing talaga.
Thank you for the flower, Everly. Thank you so
Ay,
much, anak.
Ay, kay Ever yan, ha?
Thank you.
Kay Bella. Ay, dito Ever mo?
Lahat, thank you so much for this one.
Ito, oh.
Ang dami ko naman.
Wow, dami, ha.
Hi, baby. Thank you so much, my flower.
Nakagulat to si Ella. Bilang pumapasok, eh.
Iiyak na ako, baby. I'm so proud of you. Di ba ko nakalimutan? Ella. Iiyak ako dito. Thank you, babe. Thank you, Nixon. Thank you, Zion, for the beautiful flower. I appreciate it. I love it. It's so nice, so good. Love you, baby. Mama.
Bulaklak mo.
Wow, ang ganda nga. Uy, may sulat pala dito. Basahin natin. Sa Beverly siguro to. Okay, babasahin ko. Ay, salamat.
Basahin niyo maigi. Huwag mo na kayo umiyak. Paano natin maintindihan?
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I can thank you enough for giving me the best life I could have. I wouldn't be the same person as I am today because of you. I love you so much. May God grant you a long and healthy life to be with us. Mom, I'm really baby.